got? Like a little Rockford torture chamber in here or something?
Pressure chamber, yeah. It's only 3,600 watts.
Only 3,600?
Yeah.
Most people will be like, only, right? All right, well.
Headphones if you want to. There's a punch out button.
All right, no, I don't need that.
Two at a time. No, he's good. He's good.
Oh shit, I don't have my phone. Fuck it.
Yeah, get it.
Huh?
Get it.
For my light? You got a flashlight on that thing? I'll go find my phone in a little bit.
It's on.
Sweet. All right.
You got it? I'm done? Good luck.
All right, guys.
There's headphones if you want.
Wait, what's the button for?
To mute everything so I can let you out.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm gonna lock you in.
I'm literally getting shut in right now. All right, man. I'm in. Oh my God.
Was born and raised in Cape.
That's awesome, dude. I love that. I've never been in like a rear wall like this. Whoops. That's cool. Did you build it?
No, it was built at Rockford.
At Rockford?
Yeah.
All right. Well, there you go, YouTube. This straight from the little Rockford Fosgate booth down here.
Meanie Sound Lab.
Beanie Sound Lab?
Meanie Sound Lab.
Oh, Meanie Sound Lab. All right. Hell yeah. I love it. Woo!